Hi there, welcome to this new video. Now we want to take a look at the second option that you can use to record your slide or turn your slides into video in PowerPoint. This method is a method that you can even use beyond PowerPoint. You can use it to really capture the screen of your computer screen. Okay, so it is because of this feature that you can also use it to video screen your slides and you use it as a video. Okay, good. So let us now go check out the feature. So you go to the Insert tab. That is the usual place where a lot of things happen when you're bringing things on the slide. So at the top right in the media menu, you will see screen recording. That is it. You want to record the screen of your computer. So when you select that, the thing is, you see what happened? It will close the PowerPoint, so you have to go select it again. But before then, we need to select the particular dimension that you want the recording to take place. So you can see the cursor has changed to a cross. I need to drag and select the particular area I want to be captured. So I go to the top left of the screen, then I click and drag to select. So I want to capture up to this extent. Okay, then you leave it. Then you now go back to open PowerPoint. So we're now in PowerPoint. Good. You can see the dialog box, the record dialog box. This is the record button. So once you hit that, it will start recording. Okay, good. So why it will start recording? The other features are usually selected by default, but probably if the audio or the record pointer is not selected, then you have to make sure they are highlighted. Okay, but by default they are usually selected. So now what the area that we ask the screen recorder to capture is the entire PowerPoint, and which also usually is going to be the same area with the slideshow when you begin the slideshow. Okay, good. So let us now capture the slideshow. So obviously that is what you do. You go to the slideshow, you click the slideshow. You first of all open the slideshow, alright? Then you can now hit the record button. So once you hit the record button, after a count of 3, the recording will start. Okay, so when the recording have started, you now have to come and click the start recording from beginning. Okay, then usually you select the start recording. Okay, so right now you will see on the screen that the recording has begun. We have 2 recordings going on now, the recording of the screen capture and the recording of the normal slideshow recording, the one we treated in the previous video. Okay, good. So now you can just begin to do your presentation. Okay, as usual, you start bringing in all the media and giving the necessary explanation and moving from slide to slide. And when you get to the end of this, then you just exit it. You can exit the recording by taking your cursor to the top of the screen. Once it gets there, the record dialog box for you to stop the video is going to come up. So you now click on stop. Okay, if you want to pause, you pause, but right now we want to stop the video, so we click on stop. Good. So as you can see, this is the recorded video. Okay, so that is how you record your slide using the screen recording feature in PowerPoint. And remember, you could also use it beyond PowerPoint. Alright, good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.